how to change background color of Instagram stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change background color of Instagram stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change the background color of Instagram stories, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is go and launch the Instagram application over here, and once you launch Instagram app, let's say you tap the plus icon to upload a new story. If you select a photo, what happens is that Instagram is automatically going to choose the background for you. So what do you do if you want to have a custom background color? Well, first of all, select any random photo like I did. So it could be anything. Just over here is just a random dummy photo, right? What we're going to do is we're going to convert this photo into a color and then change it into a background. So to do this, just go ahead and then basically tap the three dots option here, tap on draw. Once you tap on draw, select the color that you want for your background. So if I want to select yellow, let's say for example, select the yellow option. After you select yellow, long press and hold on this. Once you long press and hold on it, you can see the color has been successfully changed. And now don't forget to tap the arrow icon to save the changes. Now that we've added our background, how do we add the photo? Because you can see we've already added a photo and converted that to background, but we want to add a new photo again. Well, don't worry, because I can show you that as well. All you have to do is tap this little sticker icon over here, which is at the top of the screen. Once you tap the sticker icon, you'll be able to find this little plus button, which is the add media option. So you have to make sure to select this sticker, and now just select the photo that you want to add this time. And once you select the photo that you want to add, you can actually change the shape and size of it. So basically you can see corners is actually rounded. If you want to sharp one, tap on it once and it will be sharp. If you tap on it, it will change to circle. If you tap on it again, many type of different shapes and so on, but depending upon what you want, you can select that. And the good thing about this is you can add as many photos as you want. So if this is not enough, you can try to add another one. So this way you can change the background color of Instagram stories. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.